I went on a little nature walk, and there was this nest of ducklings that had just hatched. And
yeah.
I didn't see their mother anywhere around, so I thought I would try and feed them.
Oh, that's a good idea. Andy, you didn't hate that experience either, did you?
No, I didn't hate it at all. And my court date's next Thursday.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as you all know, Central Park also has its share of perverts. They're everywhere. But once again, it was Giuliani to the rescue, which made me feel good. How you doing over there, Max?
I'm good.
All right.
He had to get a wider stool.
I know.
Came in this morning, sat down.
Wait, really?
Went right through.
Terrible.